Welcome to the NANLINK 2.0 lighting control. In this video, we will introduce the scene list and fixture list. After logging into your account, the app will enter the scene list. Tap the menu button in the top left corner to access account settings, new scene group, sort by, and other settings. Creating a scene is the basic operation for connecting light fixtures. Tap New Scene, enter a name, and tap Create to save the scene to the scene list. After the scene is created, you can click three dots in the lower right of the scene for more settings, rename, edit remark, or delete. Creating a scene group allows you to add multiple scenes to a group for easier management. The sorting function allows you to sort scenes and scene groups according to different needs. Tap a scene to add new fixtures to the scene. There are two methods to add fixtures. 1. Connect directly via Bluetooth. 2. Connect via 2.4G with the help of a transmitter box. Let's take you through each method. When connecting via Bluetooth, please first reset the Bluetooth on the fixture. You can view the reset methods by tapping the prompt icon in the top right. Select the fixture you want to control on the Bluetooth search interface and tap Done to connect. If the light fixture is restarted and the Bluetooth is not disconnected or reset, you can tap the corresponding fixture to quickly reconnect the light fixture without resetting its Bluetooth. When the light fixture is connected via Bluetooth, the app can operate all the modes of the fixture. Some modes will be unlocked after updating the light fixture with the corresponding firmware. Please visit our official website to check and download the latest firmware. We will improve the function of fixtures to control lighting modes through the app as soon as possible. When connecting via 2.4G, please set the wireless protocol of the fixture to version 1.0 and connect it to the NANLINK transmitter box. After successful connection, please choose the parameters for each light fixture, including the LED type, CCT range, GM adjustment, channel, and so on. Please note that incorrect input will result in the fixture being uncontrollable. When the fixture is connected via 2.4G, the app will configure the setting based on different types of fixtures. The operable modes for various fixtures are as follows, and other modes are temporarily uncontrollable. After adding the fixture, the app will enter the fixture list interface. The list will display the real-time status of the connected fixtures, including fixture name, mode, brightness, address, connection method, and power supply mode, etc. The bulb icon enables you to turn the light on/off with one tap. Tap More options on the right side to rename, reset name, change address, delete the fixture, or perform other operations. If you want to add new fixtures to the current scene, tap the menu button in the top right corner to pop up the menu and tap New Fixture. Once added, the fixture will appear in the current fixture list. The right menu bar also provides sorting functions. Tap Sort By to sort the fixtures in the current list by address or name. In addition to the control for single fixture, the NANLINK app also supports creating groups for multiple fixtures, thereby controlling all the fixtures in the group simultaneously. Tap the menu button in the top right corner of the fixture list interface and tap New Fixture Group. Select the fixtures you want to control in a group to complete the addition. Please note that some fixtures cannot be added to a group when connected via Bluetooth. You can use the NANLINK transmitter box to achieve group control for these fixtures. Tap the number on the group selection box to view the fixture list of the current group, which displays the status and enables other operations for each fixture. The one-tap switch on the group selection box is used to simultaneously turn on/off all the fixtures in the same group, while the one-tap switch on the fixture selection box is used to turn on/off any fixture in the group individually. Tap the More Options button on the right side of the group to expand the submenu. Among them, the Manage Group function allows you to add fixtures to the group or delete fixtures from the group. The Delete function allows you to delete both the group and its fixtures, or to keep the fixtures connected and only delete the group. When multiple light fixtures are grouped, the controllable lighting modes, adjustable parameter options, and ranges on the app will be determined by the shared attributes of these fixtures. For example, when a group is formed by PavoTube Mark II 15X and Evoke 900C, the controllable lighting modes on the app will be reduced to 3 modes: CCT, HSI, and Effect. The adjustable color temperature range will be reduced to 2700 Kelvin to 12,000 Kelvin, and the GM range will be reduced to plus or minus 100. That's all for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact us through the feedback column on the app homepage. Thanks for your support.